hey, today we want to share this comment from a user. He's saying how to put the clickable phone number on a e-brochure or PDF. This is very common. I mean, sometimes you share the catalog in a PDF, in a group, or with clients, and you want to have the link to the WhatsApp in the document. So to get this done, you need two things. One is your link to WhatsApp. This is where you can create a link to WhatsApp and you will check the stats. So let's say, for example, my phone number is 627-524-218. I'm going to say this is a link for a brochure. I'm going to say hi, and I save the link. Because I have an account, I need my login, but this is my account, and this is my link. This is a link for a brochure. Perfect. If you want to change the link, you can do it here, like catalog 2021, for example. I mean, you can rename the link as you want. So, for example, catalog 2021 seems good. We copy the link, and now we edit our catalog. To edit the document, I find this is a free online solution you can use. It's called pdfescape.com. You can upload your file and then you can add the link here. What I have done is very simple. They have an option here to add a link in the document. So for example, you can add the link here, and this link is going to open the link we create that points to our WhatsApp number. That's it. We save and we download the file, and that's it. It's done. So this is a catalog with link. So now this file, if I open the file, what I'm going to see is this is the catalog, the menu, and now what you can see here is a link. So if I click there, I click, this opens my WhatsApp, and I know the link name and the message I set up as default. And what happens also, if I go here and I reload, I can check the stats. I can see today I have one new link in my WhatsApp. So this is, I think it's very easy to do. It's very easy to set up. Step 1, create your link to your phone number. This is the country code. This is your phone number. If you don't know how to do it, send me a message. I will help you. Your business name and your welcome message. When you have your link, you go. I use this application, but there are other applications. This is free online. pdfescape.com. You can go here and create your link. The tool they have here is called link. You make it's like you make a box, and then you add the link to your phone number, and that's it. Super. I mean, I think it's very easy to do. You just need to do that, and that's it. And finally, you share your document with clients, LinkedIn, anywhere. What I will suggest is, let's go to WhatsApp. You know, what happens is, if you share your document in WhatsApp, let me see what happens. Is this working? Let me do it again. Okay. If I share the document, this is what you see. You have like a preview, and then to open the file, I really need to like download the file. It's like it's not loading in WhatsApp. It's like I need to click and download. So it's good. I mean, this is something you can do for sure. Like it's a good option to to share the catalog. But I will include here my link to the website already. So for the user, it's easy to click back to you. So for example, let's go to a group. I have some groups here. For example, this one. Okay, I can share here my catalog with the users in the group, and I can say, if you need more information, please contact me here. That, I think that makes more sense, because the user is going to see the catalog and right away he can click here and he can go to my private WhatsApp. And this is for groups. I think this is easier than you're in the group, you need to click here, you need to jump to the other user, maybe you don't know who this guy is. So the link, I think, helps a lot. So hope this helps. I think you have everything to get your link done. I will share the links in the description, so you know how to create your link to WhatsApp, how to add the link in a document, and how to share the document in a group or with LinkedIn or whatever. Thank you.